Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Sagittarius, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. So we have Queen of Cups. Sagittarius, this is your current energy, and we have the Hierophant. This is your partner's current energy. Sagittarius people, you are somebody who has a lot of emotions within themselves, who has a lot of love within themselves, okay, who wants to give this love and emotion to somebody, okay, someone special, okay, but seems like you are very afraid. You are very afraid, okay, you are just continuously looking at your cup, okay, you are not saying anything to anyone, okay, you are very calm, very composed. Since you are queen, you are, behaving in that manner, but seems like you are very afraid. You think the moment I'll put this cup on this place, this cup, will fall down, and what will I do? Okay, so you have emotions for somebody, you have feelings for somebody, but you are holding back those emotions. You feel that the moment I'll confront my emotion, that person is definitely going to make fun of my feelings, that person is definitely going to take me for granted. Okay, so that's why you are holding back your emotions. You are not confronting your emotions, you are not showing them that, hey, I have some feelings for you. Alright. On the other hand, your person, with this Hierophant card, I feel that your person is going through some kind of a association. Some meetings are going on, some discussions are going on in their life. With this Hierophant card, they are either they are taking some guidance from somebody, or they are advising some people, or either they are taking some counseling sessions, or they are giving some counseling sessions to someone else. Okay, in either case, some meetings are going on, some discussions are happening, some sort of discussion, some sort of meeting, some sort of associations are happening in their life. Okay, so they are like completely unaware of your thoughts. They are busy in their own life. Now let's see how you see them and feel about them, and how they see and feel about you. How you see them and feel about them, and how they see you and feel about you. Strength card and Six of Cups. We have Strength card and Six of Cups. You see them as somebody who is very calm, who is very passionate, who is very composed, who has the potential to deal with the crisis, who is capable enough to to deal with tough people, to tough situations. Okay, this person has a very peaceful mind, this person has very peaceful approach towards the tough people and difficult situations. Okay, and I told you that some kind of meetings are going on into their life. So you also see them as somebody who is like who is like completely, who is very popular within their social groups. Okay, everybody wants to meet them, everybody wants to talk to them, everybody wants to have discussion with them, everybody wants their advice. Okay, so they are like apple of the eye of everyone. Everybody likes them, everybody loves them, everybody adores them. Seems like this is the only thing which is holding you back. That's why you are not confronting your emotions in front of them, because somewhere you feel that, oh my god, this person is like completely completely adored by so many people. Okay, what if they are, if they'll make fun of my thoughts, my feelings, my love, what will I do? Okay, now let's see what your person thinks about you and sees about you. They see you as somebody who is, who is sad and depressed. Okay, perhaps you have not told them that what you feel or how you are feeling in this situation, but they have a hint of this thing, that this person is going through some tough time. Okay, perhaps you are not taking any counseling session from them, perhaps you are not confronting your emotion. That's a big thing, and that's the one thing. But apart from that thing, they also have a hint that, okay, probably this person is going through some kind of a tough time in their life, but they are not, but they don't know what is the reason behind that. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. No action. 3 of Swords, 9 of Wands. You feel heartbroken. You feel that this person must be into third party situation. What's happening? With this 3 of Swords, you feel that, oh my god, this person is like liked by many people, loved by many people. Okay, so somewhere deep down in your heart, you feel that this person must have so many other options into their life. Okay, so this thought breaks your heart, and also you feel that it is a third party situation. Okay, I told you that you are being somebody who is fearful. What if I'll say this thing? How will they react? What they will say? What will happen? This, that, blah, blah, blah. So these are your fears. Okay, you need to throw this wand from your hand and just look back. Just look back. There is a way for you to get out of this negative emotion. Okay, now let's see what action they are taking towards you. What action they are taking towards you. Oh my god, oh my god. What is this? What is this? Sagittarius, I feel that you are just, thinking a lot. I think you should go and propose them. You should go and tell them. You should go and offer your Queen of Cups to them. Because somewhere, somehow, they feel connected with you. On a soul level. It is a divine connection. It is a soul connection. And they feel equally attracted towards you, even though they are also not sharing their feelings, their thoughts. You tell me, why would they feel that, oh my god, this person must be suffering from something? Why? They must be surrounded by so many people in their life. Then why they are specifically thinking about you? That means there is some kind of a soul connection. There is some sort of connection between you and them. This is the reason they are thinking about you. And I think you should not waste your time and just confront your emotion in front of them. Alright? Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Wheel of Fortune. You feel the correct time has arrived for you. Sagittarius, I feel that you are, just creating your own world within your own mind, that okay, what will happen, how will happen. The thing is that you feel in this relationship that yes, this is the time, this is the person, I need this time, I need this person in my life. This is the sign of good luck for me. This is a sign of happiness for me. This is a sign of abundance for me in life. Okay, on the other hand, your person feels in this relationship, oh my god, I should take, I should just move as fast as I can to reach towards my person. They feel equal attraction towards you. This is the reason this Lovers card has popped out for you. They feel they are equally attracted towards you. Okay, it's not that it's a one-sided attraction, or it's a one-sided emotion, or it's a one-sided love. It is a love, it is a mutual love, mutual connection. Okay, this is the reason they want to take a solid action towards you as fast as they can. But all you need to do is you just need to confront your emotions. That's all, and everything will be taken care by God, by divine. See, mutual energy. This person is definitely wants to offer you something. Sagittarius, this person has genuine emotions for you. Sagittarius, this person definitely wants to give you something in life, but you need to take action first. You need to be out from your shell first. Only then they'll be going to offer you something. Okay, now let's see what is the future potential. What future is holding for both of you? What future is holding for both of you? Four of Cups. I think it's you, Sagittarius, who is going to take a little more time to confront your emotions. Okay, you are just closing your eyes. You have closed your eyes. You don't want to see anything. You don't want to feel anything. But the thing is that universe has done their work. God has done their job. Oh, only you need to take action. Only you need to open up your eyes. Otherwise, nothing will happen. You need to take action. If you want this person in your life, you have to take action. Alright? Now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to, Sagittarius people. You are ready. I'm telling you from the beginning of this reading that please take action, please take action, please take action. Angels are also saying that you are ready. Why are you waiting for so long? Don't think anything. Just go and tell them that, hey, I think I have feelings for you, or whatever. You are your own creative director. Okay, you can say anything. You just need to convey your thoughts. You just need to confront your emotions. Okay, so please do something in this relationship, because you are ready. Alright, so Sagittarius, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this Queen of Cups, Six of Cups, Four of Cups. Okay, and some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. Sorry, we have Page of Cups as well. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. Some of you could be dealing with Leo. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign with this Nine of Wands. And we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Nine of Swords, Knight of Swords, Three of Swords. And yes, so Sagittarius people, this is your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.